Alright guys, today I have some new window visors. You know, of course, WellVisors, good old eBay. Because, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but these bad boys are faded. Wait until I show you the new ones so you can see how bad these are. This is what it's supposed to look like. And this is what mine look like right now. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what mine looks like. Let's get these old crusties off and let's get these new beautifuls on. And we're gonna do a little before. And then we'll do it after once we're done. Alright, and once you have the visors off, you just want to get you a razor blade or a 3M gum wheel or whatever you got that you need to take it off with, fingernail. And you want to get all this residue off, get it nice and clean. After you get, it clean to, your liking, me, I prefer to use the 3M gum wheel, and it takes it right on off. It just makes a mess all over the car. So, if you plan on doing this, do it before you wash the car. So to help adhesion, after you clean to your liking, I just take alcohol swab and I just wipe it down, and that way that should get any oil and grease off, and that will help that 3M tape to stick to its maximum capability. And once you do this, give it a few minutes, let it dry. Alright, so once you get your tape off and everything, you have your metal clips. So what I normally do, so I get the back lined up, and then try to get everything else lined up. Like so. And then once it's all lined up, how you like it, give it a little push, and that's all it is to it. And there it is, and we'll get a comparison for the after. That looks so much better than what it did before, and that's all it is to it. So until next time, peace. And also, if you need a pair of these, the link is in the description below. I just had to bring y'all back because it's crazy how much something that small makes a huge difference on how the car looks. Alright, I'm done. See y'all next time. Peace. For real this time.